There's his helicopter.
Giant too, huh? Giant.
Okay.
Oh, put this down. You know if he would. He's about to be ready. 3, 2. When it does that, you can tell it's about to. Oh, there we go.
I'm gonna fly it. I'm gonna fly it.
Let me try first. What the crap?
Oh, just.
You need like a landing pad, basically. Something like soft. Okay, get back. Oh, snap.
Talk about the landing. Can I do it now?
For some reason.
Can I do it now?
Yeah.
Here.
Make sure it's low, okay?
Make sure. Here, hold this.
Mariah, don't go that high. Mariah, stop. Okay. Okay, stop. Okay, stop. No, Mariah, let me show you. Stop it. Stop it. Stop. Okay, Mariah, go slowly. Yes. Slowly up. This is to control. Oh, snap. Mariah, why would you?
I don't know how to.
Okay, put it down. Put it down. Okay. Mariah! Here. Let me show you. Stop.
I didn't do that.
Stop.
I'm not doing that.
Stop. Let me show you.
Were you recording?
Yes. Okay, Mariah, look.
I'm looking.
Little. There. You just won't go up high.
Oh, okay, I get it now. I get it now.
Oh, let me try. There we go. Oh, snap. No, never landing. Oh, that was perfect.
Yes.
Yes. That was so perfect. Oh, gosh. That was so perfect.
What?
We only got 10 minutes, guys, okay? 10 minutes. Go. Don't. Hold up. First, don't. Please. You can cut my hand off. Okay. Don't go. Yes, go. Turn the thing off. Hold up. Thing must have. Give me. Here, hold. Turn it off. Oh, this is right. Thing was loose. There we go. Turn it off and then turn it back on. There we go. Okay, he's just connecting to the airplane, so it listens to all our commands.
Right now, we're just outside. We're really cold.
But we're having very fun. Fun.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye,
Someone ready?
guys.
No!